The Gemco 1999 Semilex is a powerful, self-contained, portable, multi-purpose diagnostic system. It is designed to quickly and accurately calculate machinery stopping times and determine the minimum safe distance for safety devices such as light curtains, palm buttons, e-stops, and safety mats. Our SafeTimeter is capable of measuring elapsed stop times from 1 to 9,999 milliseconds. It will also calculate the minimum safety distance based on the OSHA formula, as understood by the factory, and will display up to 999.9 inches to the nearest 0.1 inches. This is the ultimate, all-in-one, portable diagnostic system. When it comes to operator safety, trust Gemco's 1999 Semilex for unmatched accuracy and performance. To learn more and how it works, visit AMETEKFactoryAutomation.com.